What attracted me to full-time MBA at Warwick is their interest in academics as well as professional development. When we started learning strategy, I realized what a strategist would do in any environment. And I want to pursue that. So Career Plus team really helped me to realize where I was lacking in and what were my strengths and what were my weaknesses. This is what makes WBS stand out. WBS promotes unity in diversity. We are very, very diverse cohort, and they make sure people from different nationalities are mingling and working with each other. I can say that I can go and work in any country, in any environment, because I have worked with so many people of different nationalities. I loved how the whole team at WBS is there to support you. I have been to my career coach or to programs team with the silliest questions, and they have tried to solve it. If anybody wants this kind of personalized experience, I think WBS is the place for you to be.